Good morning. So today we're going to, if you watched yesterday's video, we had set this up last week, but we just went to install the drain yesterday. We're going to, I forget what the street's called, but we're going to go do some concrete. We have concrete at 6 right now. It is 5:05. Got up about 45 minutes ago. It's literally like 4 yards, dude, if that. So I think me and the homeboy is gonna stay there to finish it, and then my dad and Chewy are probably gonna end up going to start grading on Jamaica. Yeah, because we set up a garage and a little casita there, and the plumbers are already finished with that. We got to set up the perimeter first. The plumbers have moved in off of our forming, and they're gonna go backfill that essentially and start grading that. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill out, drink my coffee for a minute, and wait for him to get here to pick me up. So yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one. Hi, buddy. I'm sorry, I can't pet you for too long. I gotta go. My ride's here. Oh, shh. You all right? Love you. Yeah, we are pumping it. Get these rods, rakes, all that shit. What's up, boy? Good morning, Eugene. All right, we get this. Some boots, floats. And yeah, we're ready to go, pretty much. Can't tell. Oh yeah, man. This ain't gonna be a thing but a chicken wing.
I got to make sure everything's out first.
Yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. Well, concrete will be here in 10 minutes. So, hopefully, whatever. Yeah, it's real small pour. I might not even stay here. This is enough for just one guy to finish, so we're just waiting for concrete to get here. Concrete is here. Throw these bad boys on.
Why did you bring me my float? This is crap. Armor. Yeah, I'll go get some parts here and I'll get some dropped off. Yeah, I got a little bit of action in that room back there. Yeah, a little bit. I'm not ready. It all worked out good. Okay.
Yeah, there's like no room to walk around in here. Well, there she is, boys. The 200-yard pour is finally on the ground. Jump over to that side, do the same thing.
Yeah, I'm full of bridge across it like Taylor, but at least we get out of here. Right there. Oh yeah, we already got all that. There. That's all done, boss. We already had that conversation like an hour ago.
Like an hour ago, he says. Barely even.
I'm gonna start getting some extra pussy and start getting cocky.
The fall is going to the drain, so there's gonna be a lot of sides gonna dry last. Sides up there by the travertine. Well, I'm gonna be staying here with Eugene, and the boys are gonna head over to another little job to get it graded. So I'm just gonna grab my tools right now. New edger, he's got a new edger too, so these are gonna match. Where's my little, call this the cheat code. Oh, she dirty. But yeah, this is gonna be an easy day, dude. Easy. This is the smallest amount of concrete we've poured in forever, because literally all we've been doing is like garage additions and foundations, big ass ones too for that matter. But all right, see you later, man. All right. Oh, there's a fly right there. ¿Aquí?
Sí, no, ¿para qué?
Es por el cemento, no, adentro.
No, vamos
Yeah.
para ella y más bien.
Let's get out of here. Set that there for right now. flatten this out a little bit better. Edge that again. I hate edging against travertine. Edge is kind of low. Drop the freaking string on in there.
Check en la esquina. Bien, ¿no?
Yeah. Snapping the joints out right now. We got that one, that one, that one, this one. We're gonna do this one straight and probably just one more right here. Perfect. All right. God, it's freaking wood's all tore up right here. Try not to edge it into that, of course. You don't want to do that because when you go to strip, then you'll pop an edge. That's not good. Alright, I think we got that wrapped up nice. Yep. Oops. All right, that back side is done. We're gonna head over to the front and finish edging this along the drain and a little bit along this casita. We actually poured this a while ago. That's why we came back, is to do the rest of this for them. All right. Amazing. A little high right there, so we'll smooth that down. Just re-edge that. No, freaking leaf flew back in there. This is the last spot, and a little bit of that. Working lines. Yeah, baby. Of course, there's a little low spot right there. That's all right. Last spot right here. It's knocked out right there. This freaking fly's been following me all day. Edges are done. All right. Dropping steel on this bad boy. How's it going? Good. sticky. There we go. Yeah. Having that 1, 2, 3. Talk, I'm tongue tied, lost in the rhythm of life. So if you really just come and get it. Just come and get it. All right. Yeah, baby.
Nice, bro.
That's it. Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna take these steaks out. By the time I'm done with that, we might be able to just hit it one more time and broom it. Hey. Come on. That's all the steaks. All right, we're gonna hit this Bad Mama Jama one more time, and then broom it. Totally forgot to grab my knee pads. Just coming clutched in there. Finishing like this. You gotta be down on your knees, get more detailed with it. Nope. A rock snip in there. No. Yeah. Take my glasses off.
Hey, bud. I'll put it on top of the wall and just scratch whatever numbers you get.
Okay, gotcha, perfect.
No hurry.
That guy just came over and asked me if he can get a quote for doing block, but we don't do block. But I do know a company, got a couple buddies that work for him. I'm just gonna give them their number. Call that good.
He seems like a cool guy. Get rid of that one. He's already brooming. That's done. Little spot there and there, but the broom can take care of that, as you can see. Yeah, baby. Looks like I'm water boy for today. Keep everyone doing what they're good at. I'm a firefighter with this shit, homie. There we are. Last swipe right there. Oh wait, no. Still got a little bit more over there. Looking good. He just finished brooming. We'll give it a minute and spray it, cure it, strip it, and that's it. That was easy, super easy. Oh yeah. Say. All right. A lot of wind, that stuff's flying everywhere, but once he's done with that, then we're just gonna strip the forms and that is a finished product. All right, we're gonna start right here. not obviously hit the edge. Now these guys are butted in right here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this guy out first. It's screwed in right there. All right. Oh yeah. Come on. There we go. All right. Just that stuff, and we're stripped out. And concrete inside of there. Out. Yep. Oh, this one's a little bit longer. Put this one on top of this one. Okay. This one's locked in the same way. Hopefully not really bad though. Looks like it's good. Okay. Swing, about a swing. Yes. Yup. Woo! That's it. That's it. I'll wash these up real quick. Alright. That's it for these guys. Jenga. Oh, this one's have screws in it. Alright, now we're just gonna do a little bit of backfilling. I'm not gonna put anything along there because they might want to put like fake grass or something there, so we're gonna take advantage of what's right here and just kind of cast that around, make it look nice and pretty. Just like that. That's textbook. Oh yeah, it's gonna look real nice when I'm done. I like to backfill. A lot of companies don't, but I do because it just makes it look nice. They appreciate it more. There we go. And stuff out there. All right. Down this side, and that's it. All right. There we go. Backfill looks pretty, and check this out. That is a finished product right there. That went smooth. We got all the form stripped, it's sprayed. Once it's dried up, this thing is ready to go. There, we got the drain, the fall's going that way. The water, you know, from the pool or rain, is gonna go into that drain, head on that way, out there where where there's not going to be a problem. This came out really good. I'm really happy with the results of that. So yeah, there you go. That's it. Well, there you have it. That's a finished product right there. Super easy. Nothing to it right there. We did the backfilling, came out nice. The homeowners are going to be really happy about this one. We did that casita, and we came back. We did that casita about 4 or 5 months ago, and we just came back, finished it off right here, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So I'm gonna cut the video right here. We do have some more stuff we're gonna go do, but I just kind of wanted this video to be just about the pour and the finish and the finished, or then the completion of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, subscribe, do all that kind of cool stuff. Give me some feedback in the comments about some things you guys do want to see more of, or things you don't want to see. You know what I mean? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are having a good day. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. So we'll see you in tomorrow's. Peace.